Here we have the Minesweeper game. I'm going to run it and we are going to see how it works. Well, here is the game. At first, I'm going to let the AI place. And here we are going to see if the AI is going to make a safe move or is making a random move. A safe move is going to take place when the AI is certain that the move is not going to let the game to a lose. At first, the AI always make a random move, so it's possible that the AI lose the game. And we are going to do it again. Well, here is the first random move the AI chose to do. And then, as we can see, the AI is making all safe moves. While we are going to run it to the end, it's possible that we see that the AI is going to win the game. Well, here we can see that the AI wins and that we have no moves left. Sometimes, as in this case, the AI is going to run several times without knowing what to do, if without having a safe move. And as I said before, the AI could lose the game if it has not a safe move to make. Well, this is all the implementation for the Minesweeper game.